You can literally just share YouTube videos and get paid with this free website which is worldwide available. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online, so even if you are a beginner, you can make it work. You just need to sign up, share some YouTube videos, and follow the other steps from this video to collect your earnings. And if you stay until the end, I'll give you a bonus website so you can set up everything in autopilot and earn passively. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World if you haven't already, with notifications on, so I'll notify you whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online. And if you love making money online, give this video a thumbs up. With that said, let's begin with today's tutorial. First of all, I want to show you that this works in all the countries, so they are paying worldwide. As you can see, Australia, United States, United Kingdom, and so on. Worldwide available. And also, I want to show you one more thing before I explain to you how to use this app and make money passively. And the thing is that the minimum payout is only $5, meaning that you just need $5 to cash out. The payment frequency is daily, so you can cash out every single day, which means you don't have to wait for so long to get your money. And you can choose from these different payment methods such like Bitcoin, PayPal, and Skrill. Anyway, let's begin with step number 1, which is to come over to YouTube. And you are actually in YouTube right now watching this video, and you can also share this video if you like. Anyways, this is what you need to do. You'll come over to YouTube using your smartphone device or tablet, PC, laptop, depends on you, and now you want to find videos that are solving problems in different niches. For example, you can use my channel. You can see that my videos are solving a problem on how to make money online. So people that want to build their passive income and make money online can watch my videos to find a solution. So you need to think for different problems and search for them here on the search bar. Maybe you can search for how to gain weight, which is something many people want. Now it is going to give you all of these different videos that are solving that particular problem that a lot of people might have. And as you can see, millions of people are interested in this kind of problem. This video has 1.7 million of views, this one 2.5 million of views, this one 3 million of views, and so on and so forth. You can also think of different problems as well and search for those tutorials that is going to help people solve them. In my case, I'm going with how to gain weight niche, and I'm going to find a really good video that it's really going to help people for free. And I'm going to use this one, for example, healthy foods that will make you gain weight fast. Now for the next step, I'll open this video. And then I'll click on share right here and then grab the link of this video. Later on, I'll show you how to set everything on autopilot from anywhere in the world in order to maximize your results, so stay tuned for that. But before that, you need to sign up to an absolutely free platform which is going to pay you real money for sharing those YouTube videos. And the platform in question is called OK.io. With this platform, you can shorten URLs and earn money. You can put the link in this box, shorten it with a click of a button, and then you can share that shortened link, and whenever someone clicks on it, you'll get paid. Simple as that. That's why I said it is one of the easy strategy, because you don't need to sell anything or to make people sign up to a website or to spend any money at all. Just share the link with other people, and when they click, you will make money, and you get paid up to $27 per 10,000 views, which may not seem like a lot, but as I said before, I'll give you a traffic source that you can set up on autopilot and maximize your earnings. And as I showed you at the beginning of the video, it works worldwide, and you have 3 different payment options like PayPal, Bitcoin, Skrill, or even Payza. Now for step number 3, you'll need to create an account for absolutely free by clicking here on sign up. And then you need to put a unique username, a valid email address, a password, re-enter the password, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click on submit. Once you created your account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Here you can track your total views, total earnings, your referral earnings. If you refer someone, you'll be making 20% of all their earnings, and that's an extra way you can earn money with OK. Anyways, our main focus is to make money by sharing YouTube videos. So you just need to paste that YouTube link that you got from a video that solves some problem, in my case how to gain weight, and then paste it right here in this box. Click on shorten. It's going to give you your special local link which you can copy and share with people. And whenever someone clicks on it, you'll make money. And there are millions and billions of people who can potentially click just one of your links, because the best part about this is that you can shorten and share unlimited links. So for the last step, you'll just need to start sharing your shortened link that takes people to the YouTube video so you can earn money. And if you're wondering why OK.io pays you, it's because whenever people click on the link, they will be first redirected to a page with ads, which they can skip and then watch the YouTube video, and OK.io is splitting the ad revenue with you. With that said, the traffic source that you can use is called Answers, and this is over at answers.com. According to SimilarWeb, Answers.com is being visited by over 7.8 million of people every single month. And there are cases when they have been visited by over 8.8 millions of people. And they come from countries like United States, Philippines, United Kingdom, Canada, and India. All you need to do right now is to come over to Answers.com and create an account for absolutely free by clicking here on login. And once you sign up, you can start looking for different questions that people are asking. In my case, how to gain weight. And I can find all the people that have asked the question and reply to them with my link that is going to take them to the YouTube video where they can learn how to do so for absolutely free. So I'm basically helping these people solve their problem by providing them with available video, and I'm also making money out of this. And here on the left hand side, you have all of these different categories that you can choose, so you can solve problems in science, math and arithmetic, history, literature and language, technology, health, business and finance, and so on and so forth. Just find all sorts of different questions that are being asked here and then go over to YouTube, find a video that gives an answer to that question, copy the link from that YouTube video, then shorten it with OK.io, and then go back to answer so you can reply to the person and give them your link. And they'll be thankful because you help them for free, and you'll also benefit from it because you are making money from their clicks. And also you are making money passively because those answers that you give will stay forever on Answers.com. Of course, it will not make you rich, but it is still a good strategy to make some decent amount of money passively. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. Or hit that red subscribe button with notifications on so you get notified whenever a new video like this one is posted. Thank you for watching.